हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू स्पीडी व्हील्स। आज हम लोग RTR200 के एयर फिल्टर चेंज करने वाले हैं। आज देखेंगे कैसे एयर फिल्टर चेंज करते हैं और कौन से स्टेज में चेंज करना चाहिए। लेट्स कंटिन्यू द वीडियो।
Ladies and gentlemen,
Air filter. You can easily buy a new air filter in the nearest TVS showroom. It costs around rupees 217. As you can see, it is recommended to change the air filter after 12,000 km, but to the harsh and the dirty condition, we have to change it after around 7,000 kilometers. A dusty or a dirty air filter can cause a mileage drop and reduces the efficiency of the bike. To change or replace the air filter, we're gonna follow the following steps throughout the video. So watch the video till end. First, we have to remove the seats of the bike. The air filter is situated below the rider's seat. Now, to access the air filter, first we have to remove the side panel. To remove the side panel, we have to unscrew the 3 bolts, as we can see in the video. After removing the side panel, we can now easily access all the 4 screws of the air filter casing. Now remove all the 4 screws of the air filter casing. We can see the air intake is connected to the air filter casing. Now gently remove the air filter intake. After removing the air filter intake, we can easily access to the air filter by removing the casing of the air filter. As we can see, the old air filter is very much dirty and dusty. Now gently pull out the old air filter. As we can see, the old air filter is very much dirty and dusty. So it is recommended to change the air filter after 7,000 kilometers around if you live in a dirty or a dusty weather condition. Now replace it with a new air filter. After replacing the air filter, place the casing of the air filter at its place. And connect the air intake housing to it. And tight all the 4 screws of the air intake casing gently. Now put the side panel to its place. And the seats to their position. If you have any problems, then comment down freely. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos.